Okay, so this is the first question. Okay, have a look. For the say you got 4 marks for this, and the mark distribution is given. Okay, construct more circles. Find the principal stresses, the orientation of the principal axis relative to the xy axis. So that means you need to find out sigma 1, sigma 2, then theta p1, theta p2. Then determine the stresses on an element rotated in the xy plane 60 degrees counterclockwise from its original position. So that means you need to find out the transformed state of stresses. Okay, and show these stresses on a sketch element, on a sketch of an element oriented at this angle. So you can just refer back your solids to assignment, so you know how to represent the transformed state of stresses. Okay, so I have just shown you earlier this something like this. So you need to show something like this, okay, with the original values. Then part C, using the transformation law, compare the solution with Mohr circle. So now use the matrix transformation law. Then compare the solution with Mohr circle. If you do all the parts correctly, okay, you will get 4 out of 4. That means for 100 you already got 4 marks. For 20 you got 4 marks. And let me tell you, 50% you got for assignments, 15 marks for the lab report. Okay, no, don't ask for any extensions. Okay, no more extensions. So you do your assignments, lab report perfectly, attend the classes, understand what you've done. You are unlikely to fail this course. But if you don't understand and do your assignments as you like it, then because we just follow blindly the marking scheme, so you get less marks in assignments, and then to cover up you need to do the exam well. And exam, again I am telling you, 35 marks only for exam, but even for 35 marks, 35%, okay, so to get even 10% may be sometimes difficult, sometimes not. So some students can get 35 out of 35, most of you can get, but for some you go blank because there are so many things by the time we complete the course. So my point is that, so don't underestimate your assignments, do your assignments legibly, clearly, with understanding. Just don't throw, means just do anyhow and submit. So because we will be looking where we can cut marks, right? So there is no unit R, so no unit here, so I can reduce 0.5 marks. So avoid all those things. Now, why this happens, because you blindly take from others and do it. If the person has not written units, you will also not write. If there is a mistake in that assignment, you will also do the mistake, okay? And you can check, because the data is different. If you want, you can check your final answer is correct or not once you bring your solution to me. Is that clear? Only to that person I can tell. So that means if you want to verify, you need to ask and show you are working. Is that okay? Okay, so now the time is 8 o'clock. You can go for 15